Even I'm telling you, at the age of 8, I was hit with retinitis pigmentosa. At the age of 14, I can't read and write. At the age of 18, I can't move from my house. At the age of 21, one has to be with me. But I never stopped my way. Sacrifice means not just sacrificing your time, sacrifice even your love for your parents. Tell to your mind that मेरा माँ ने रूप बदल कर, मेरा माँ ने हाइट बदल कर, मेरा माँ ने सब ब्यूटी बदल कर एक गर्ल के रूप में चल रही है. In country Hungary, in 1938 and 37, there was a famous rifle shooter. There was a famous rifle shooter whose name was Carolee. What is his name? Carolee. He is very much keen to participate in Olympics and to get gold medals for his country. Rifle shooter. Nobody was able to defeat Carolee. He is such a powerful shooter. He was such a powerful shooter. In 1938, by profession, he was an army man, by soldier. While he was practicing in that war training centers, that army training camps, his right hand, where he was firing with, one hand grenade had blast in his hand and he lost his arm. His dreams of becoming a world-class shooter had vanished. He was depressed and went somewhere. Nobody knows where he had gone. In the year 1939, or the previous, I am not sure of the year, the Hungarian rifle shooting national competitions were going on. Even Carolee went there, and everybody thought that he came to wish us all. Oh, Carolee, you're so great. Even though you have a love towards this profession, and you came here to wish us all. Wish you best of luck. Carolee said, no, my dear darlings, I came here to compete with you all. What? You lost a right arm where you are the best and the master with it? Again you are saying that you want to compete with us. I might have lost a right hand, but I still having one more hand. Where I practiced all these years. Come on, no talks. Hold the rifle. To utter surprise of all competitors and the management, Carolee was the same best, even with his left hand, where he had trained for one more year, one last previous year. Listen to it very carefully. 1938, his dream was to participate in Olympics. Olympics were declared no Olympics because of Second World War. Sorry, boss. Carolee, at that point of time, his age was heading. He was not young enough. He may be losing his eyesight. What to do? He waited another 4 years. 1942. Again, World War. It was cancelled again. At the very best, I think, 1946 or 1948, the Olympics took place where Caroli went with his left hand, a rifle in his hand, won one gold medal even at the age of 38, competing with the younger generation. Because he has self-discipline, he had self-discipline. He has devotion towards his thought, towards his dream. He had determination, he had dedication, he had Shraddha, but not Kapoor. My dear friends, not only this, in 1952, I think, he got 2 gold medals in one Olympics, where at that point of time, none of the athletes had conquered, had achieved that magnificent moment of having 2 gold medals in one Olympics. At that point of time, his age was 42. No matter what your age is, no matter how much you strive, no matter what anything, any storm, any obstacle that enter your life in your way, but always we have to cross. Even I'm telling you, at the age of 8, I was hit with retinitis pigmentosa. At the age of 14, I can't read and write. At the age of 18, I can't move from my house. At the age of 21, one has to be with me, but I never stopped my way. With 10th class, intermediate 2 years, degree 3 years, B.Ed, and after that teacher recruitment test, after that promotion test, after another gazetted promotion test, everything I have crossed all the barriers and have been holding the pen of greening as a gazetted officer and doing my profession with utmost reverence and with utmost ecstasy of joy and with utmost respect. Have all these 5. Have all these 5D. What are those things? Could you please repeat for me? Discipline, devotion, dedication, determination, diligence. Thank you. The last friend for this evening, which is coming to your heart. Yes. Sacrifice. Without sacrifice, no one can do anything. कुछ पाने के लिए, you know everything. Sacrifice means not just sacrificing your time. Sacrifice even your love for your parents. Sacrifice anything for for the sake of our parents, for the welfare. मुस्कुराना है हमारा जो माता पिता है ना, there must be a permanent smile on their lips. That must be our life. My words. And also sacrifice for love. Sacrifice for, or strongly, sacrifice for love is not Kabir Singh lip lock love. That is cow. It is called cow fat. See, biological, physical interaction has another meaning. It is called sexuality. It is not love. Have differentiation. You are well-educated people. Make sure of the difference between hormonal effect and intelligent effect. A gent who is a person able to recognize the intelligent effect, do not fall in the trash of that hormonal effect and just say like a bakra, go to a girl, I love you. Don't do such things. See, loving the skin, it's not love. Loving our parents, loving our beloved ones, my dear friends, one day you will have one wife, one family, your children, no doubt about it. For that, no need of yourself dragging, falling from the graph level of your peaks to the downstream and literally standing as a beggar on road for someone's love. Don't do such illusionary things in your life. Your love is one thing you just remember in your life. Any person, any girl who is beautiful enough, who is so pretty, oh gorgeous, she is going by the side of you. Your eyes are watching, but tell to your mind that मेरा माँ ने रूप बदल कर, मेरा माँ ने हाइट बदल कर, मेरा माँ ने सब ब्यूटी बदल कर एक गर्ल के रूप में चल रही है. ये मान लो, there won't be a single rape in India. Thank you. Thank you. Am I wrong? Have discrimination to your looks, have discrimination to your listening, have discrimination to your thoughts, have discrimination to your words, have discrimination to your behavior, have discrimination to your life. And you see, when you sit on the engagement chair along with your fiancé, okay, when with your would be, what do we call, say she's going to be your wife, party chal raha hai, मंच पर बैठा yourself and your wife, you tell to your wife, darling, you are my second lover, you are my second lover. ऐसा देखोगे, क्या क्या कहा तूने, मैं तेरा सेकंड लवर. पापा ये बदतमीज है. Then you tell, cool down my darling, sit. I will introduce my first lover to you within a couple of minutes. बढ़ेगा, BP बढ़ेगा, दिमाग में thoughts बढ़ेगा. You ask your wife to close her eyes. Call your mother with a sign. Stand here. You ask your wife, without opening eyes, just bow down and touch. Someone is there, you touch the feet. She touches. Oh, put it on your eyes, open your eyes and see my first lover. She is none other than my beloved mother. She is none other than my beloved mother. Even we are the second lovers to our wife, because she is also having one father and one mother. They are the first lovers. And before marriage, we are having one mother and one father. After marriage, we are having two mothers, two fathers. If any youngster holding this thought in their brains, all old age home will get vacated and no person will stay in old age home. Thank you. Surrender for love. What is that? जोर से, surrender for love. Surrender for love. Surrender for love. Love is not a thing. Oh, these are the merits. I love you. No. Thappad maro. Loving is not just merits. Loving demerits of others is the true loving. Please remember it in your life. Loving demerits of is true loving. My dear ones, loving is an opportunity. Tell me, loving is an opportunity. Tell me, loving is an opportunity. Loving is an opportunity. But forgiving is necessity. Forgiving is necessity. क्षमा करो, क्षमा करो, क्षमा करो. जो हर रोज Her rose right from our birth. When we look at our face, when we look at our beautiful face, bloody face in the mirror, we have done many mistakes. But हर बार दर्पण में, हर बार मिरर में देखने से ओ कितना अच्छा हूँ, कितना सुंदर हूँ, ऐसा मानते हैं हम ना. हम में भी कुछ गलतियां हैं. There are faults even us, but we are loving ourselves. That's why even the Bible says, love your neighborhood as thyself. Please, my dear friends, forgive someone before you love someone. Forgive anyone. Even there are good friends of you, but you are unable to forgive them because of silly reasons. No, forgive them and love them. That will be the most valuable life.
Like this video, share this video and subscribe to Lhasa Foundation YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Do write your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment box and ask for more new videos on which subjects you want. Support Lhasa Mission.